Snowy. How are you? Good morning. Okay, so this is our morning ritual. It's a little late, but it is a holiday weekend. Usually I'm up a couple hours or 3 hours prior to today, or to the time right now. It's close to 9 o'clock in the morning. Usually around 6:30, this is our ritual, so we're having a late start, but let's go ahead. Okay, you want to go potty, Snowy? So first thing Snowy has to do is he has to go out on the line. Let's go potty, Snowy. Come on. Come on. I know you don't want to, but it's nice and cozy in the bed. The house is a mess because we have a lot of stuff we need to donate. Okay, Snowy. It's kind of cloudy. Oh, hold on 1 second. I gotta put the phone down. Oh, you wanna go potty? Let's go. It's kind of warm. It's about 60 degrees, 58 degrees out. Okay, come on, Snowy. Come on, let's put the line. Come on. Wait. There you go. Go potty. Go potty. There you go. So I let her roam around the yard. Check on the birds. They've been fumbling around, so I know they're up. It is dark in the house because it's kind of rainy out. Good morning, guys. So there are the parakeets. There's Cloud and Rei Rei. Good morning. And then let's see. Let me put this over here. Let's get some light in here. Okay. The house is a mess right now, so I'm not going to film the house. Hi, Tori. Good morning. Okay. So this is, I gotta grab their stuff out. And, while I do that, I let them out. You wanna come out? They'll come out on their own. Okay. I don't have time to grab their stuff. Okay, guys, you wanna come out? Come on out. There they come. There's Tori and there are the parakeets. So they know where to go. This is our morning ritual, so I just need to get their vegetables ready, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the ingredients for the bird stuff, I put their vegetables in this white platter here, but basically I have, this is my tea that I'll be making actually, so I'll put that off to the side. So this is a raspberry, oh no, this is grapefruit, mashed up grapefruit. I don't know where my raspberry mash is, but I have squash, carrots, and apples and broccoli, which I'll be chopping up or actually using a grater. Been doing that lately instead of using a food processor. And then this I'll just chop up. This is kale. I have oatmeal. I also have chia seeds that I will top it off with. So before I do that, actually, I am going to make myself some tea. Youthberry wild orange blossom. That's what's in this container. And I will be making that first. Sugar. I don't know why they say sugar twice. Perfect tea rock sugar. Anyhow, so I it's just kind of half of what you use for the tea. So half of this scoop. I think this is equivalent to like 2 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna put some hot water in here. I'm gonna press this. And just fill it to the top. Okay. that's it. So the tea, while the tea is brewing in basically 2 minutes, and that should be ready for me. I will be chopping up, actually grating up some of this stuff and tossing it in there. I need to find a raspberry mash, so I'll be right back.